Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.